In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a scope box in Revit. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to duplicate a scope box within a view and across multiple views or levels with precise control over placement. First, open a plan or a 3D view. Scope boxes are easiest to see and select in these views because their boundaries are clearly visible in plan and the overall extents are obvious in 3D. If your project is busy, zoom in a bit so the scope box boundary is easier to target. Next, select the scope box, click directly on the boundary line of the scope box until it highlights. If you're finding it hard to pick among nearby elements, zoom closer or hover briefly until the scope box boundary highlights, then click. The goal is to have the entire scope box selected and ready to copy. Now, use the Copy tool. Go to the Modify tab and choose Copy, or simply press CO on your keyboard. Revit will prompt you for a base point. Click a logical point on or near the scope box, such as a corner, so you can control direction and distance consistently. Then move your cursor in the direction you want the copy to go and click a second point to place it. If you need precision, start moving in the desired direction and type in an exact distance, then press enter. This ensures your copy lands exactly where you expect. You can repeat clicks to place multiple copies in one command or press escape when you're done. If you want to duplicate a scope box across views or levels, use Copy to Clipboard. With the scope box selected, press Ctrl+C or click Copy to Clipboard. Then switch to the destination view and use Paste Aligned. Choose Aligned to Current View to place the scope box in the exact same coordinates in the view you're currently in. This is perfect when you've moved to another plan or 3D view and want the scope box to match position precisely. Alternatively, choose Align to Selected Levels if you want the same scope box duplicated to one or more specific levels. Revit will prompt you to pick the levels and it will paste the scope box in the same location on each selected level. That's it. Open a plan or 3D view, select the scope box, use Copy for in-view duplicates with precise control, and use Copy to Clipboard with Paste Aligned when you need consistent placement across views or levels. With these methods, you'll keep your views coordinated and your documentation clean.